Good morning everyone! Today we will continue our English lesson. We will discuss about preposition of place, or in Indonesian it means kata depan yang menunjukkan keterangan tempat. So, we can use the preposition of place when we want to tell the place of something to our friends. Okay, now let's see the examples of preposition of place. The first one is on. On means di atas. We can see in this picture, on means di atas, or there is no space between the other things. The other example of preposition of place is above. Means di atas ada jarak. It means there is the space between one thing with the other thing. So, above means di atas with there is a space. The other example of preposition of place is in. In means di dalam, or in Indonesian we can say di dalam. Okay, and then the other example is under. Under means di bawah, but there is no space, tidak ada jarak. There is no space between one thing and the other thing. Tidak ada jarak antara benda yang satu dengan benda yang lain. The other example is below. Below means di bawah ada jarak. It means there is the space between one thing and the other thing. We can see in this picture, there is the space between the apple and also the table. Okay, the next is in front of, or in Indonesian we can say di depan. We can see in this picture, the ball is in front of the box, or the apple is in front of the box. The next preposition of place is between. Between means di antara. In this picture we can see the doll is between the balls. Okay, the next example of preposition of place is beside or next to. Beside or next to means di samping. You can see in this picture, the ball is beside the box, or the apple is beside the box. Okay, the next is behind, or in Indonesian we can say di belakang. In this picture we can see the ball is behind the box. Okay, now let's see the following examples based on the picture. For number 1, the armchair is beside the lamp. We can see the armchair is beside the lamp. The second example is the flower is on the shelf. The flower is on the shelf. The next example is the clock is in front of the wall. The clock is in front of the wall. In here, the preposition of place is in front of, or in Indonesian we can say di depan. The other example of the sentence is the rug is under the table. We can see in this picture there is no space between the rug and the table. That's why we need to use under. The rug is under the table. The next example is the lamp is between the armchairs. In this picture, we can see that there are 2 armchairs beside the lamp. It means the lamp is between the armchair because the lamp is in the middle. Okay, now let's see the other example. Okay, based on this picture, we can make the sentence like this. The clock is below the air conditioner. We can see between the air conditioner and the clock, there is the space. That's why we need to use below, not under. Okay, the other example is the wall is behind the shelf. You can see in here the shelf is in front of the wall, right? That's why we can say the wall is behind the shelf. The next example is the pictures are above the armchair. We can see there is the space between the pictures and the armchair. That's why we need to use above, not on. Okay, the next is the books are in the shelf. Okay, in this picture, the preposition of place that we use is in. The books are in the shelf. Okay everyone, I think that's all for our material today about preposition of place. See you next time. Bye bye.